Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the 7 P's of marketing. In our previous video, I discussed these 7 P's but it was in a quick manner. In today's video, I will be going to discuss these 7 P's of marketing in a detailed form. So, let's take a look about these 7 P's of marketing. What these 7 P's of marketing are. These are product, place, people, promotion, process, physical evidence and product. These are the 7 P's of marketing. Okay. So today you people are watching the same video on Knowledgist, which is the only dedicated channel for your selection, 100% selection in the banking segment. And for your 100% selection, don't forget to join the YouTube channel as well as the Telegram channel. Link for the same is given in the description box, which is very important for you. Today we are going to talk about the crash course, which is for RRB SO Marketing 23. In that crash course, do visit our website knowledgist.in. In that website, you will find this course, a crash course for RRB SO Marketing. In that course, what we are giving to you, we are giving you the entire syllabus coverage with special class on marketing because it will give you a boost in your preparation. There will be a test series which will contain 20 plus tests. 20 plus tests, which is in itself very important for a particular aspirant, those who want to do excel in that examination. We will be providing you a mentorship for written as well as interview. So we are with you. We are providing our mentorship to you for your entire journey, which will be written plus interview. We are with you till your interviews. There will be a night class in daily. There will be a daily night class for your marketing segment only. In this, you will be able to ask your doubts. You can clear your doubts. We will be providing you detailed explanation for every doubts, and in that class, we will discuss every concept one by one. Okay. For that, don't forget and don't try to skip this. Go to the knowledgist.in website and directly register on that website for your course. Okay. So now moving on to our 7 principles of marketing. These principles are: first principle we are talking about, that is product. Then we have price. Then we have at third place. Fourth we have promotion. Fifth we have people. Sixth is process. And seventh we have physical evidence. So let us talk about these 7 P's. But before jumping into the detailed discussion about these 7 P's, we must know that what is the origin of these 7 P's. How the 7 P's come into existence. What is the history of these 7 P's actually. So in that slide, let me first tell you that you need to remember only 3 things. Name of the writer first. Then you need to how many P's it has given. Learn. Then we have third, in which year it has given this. Questions can be directly asked from these 3 important points. That who has given, like for example, the question can be in that form that who has given the 4 P's of marketing initially. The right answer is McCarthy. He has firstly given 4 P's of marketing in the year 1960 in his book Basic Marketing, a Managerial Approach. So, primarily there were only 4 P's of marketing. Later on, there is 2 writers, Boomer and Bittner, in the year 1918. They saw 3 additional factors that serve a great purpose. So, they introduced 3 P's later on. So primarily there were only 4 P's. Later on 3 were more added. So now in today's time we are reading 7 P's of marketing. So if we are talking about the history of the 7 P's, you are aware about that, how it becomes 7 P's of marketing. So these are product, place, price and promotion. These 4 are given by McCarthy in the year 1960. Then there we have Boomer and Bittner, who has given people, physical evidence and process. These are the 3 given in the year 1981. So that's how they become 7 P's of marketing. Now jump into the session and we will discuss one by one all these 7 P's of marketing. The first P is product. So for marketing, the first thing which a marketer need is product, because if there is no product, what is the thing which he will market? So ultimately a company produces 2 kind of a thing, a product or service. Either it can be a product, either it can be a service, and both these product and services, they must be manufactured or prepared according to the needs of the customer. If the customer do not need these things, then there is no relevance to prepare or manufacture that kind of a product. So product is the core element for which marketing is performed, and that performance of marketing should be concentrated towards the betterment of the needs of the customers. Actually, we try to provide bundle of benefits to the customers actually. So that is important. That is the importance of a product, that if there is no product, there will be no marketing, and in that product we try to provide the bundle of benefits to our customers. Then moving on to the second P of marketing, that is price. Once you know about your product, then you will be then you are curious to know about the price of the product, because through this price you will be able to take the decisions whether to purchase, whether to make or buy decisions should be taken by this price. Whether you have to make purchase, whether you have to deny this kind of a decisions can be taken only by the customers when they know about the price of the customer. And that price contains two elements. One is your cost, second is your profit. A marketer or a producer is only able to recover its profits when it has already recovered its cost. If the cost element is not get recovered completely, then there is no use that it will recover its profits. Okay, so first of all they have to recover its cost, thereafter only they will be able to recover its profits. Then we have next P, which is place. So once we are aware about that there is a product, there is a price, we will talk about the place. Then we have the particular thing which is place. On that place to contain two things. One is your physical store, second is your virtual store. Okay, when we are talking about the place means where we can find that product, because price we have already discussed. So now the thing which is important for us, that we know product is this, we know price is that, XYZ is our product, XYZ is the price of that product. Now the next thing which come into our mind is that where we can find that product, and we can find these products only at two places. It can be a physical store, it can be a virtual store, and virtual store contains your online apps like Flipkart is there is Amazon. So these kind of apps and websites, these are virtual stores through which we can find our product. So product, place and price, these are the three P's we have discussed till now, which is very important for the marketing. Next P is promotion. If a marketer will not tell its customers that this is our product, this is the price of that product, and you can find that product at this price at this place, these three things you need to disclose, you need to convey to the customers by itself. So this is the main task of the marketer, that it has to do promotion of the product. Promotion is the key thing that is to be done by the marketer. So in that promotion, what is the main challenge? The main challenge is that they have to choose the best tools for performing this job. See, when we are trying to do promotion, there will be several ideas, there will be n number of ideas that can be executed, but the main task or the main challenge is that which idea will work in your situation, which is the best tool for performing that job. This is more important. So promotion is one of the another important P of the marketing. Moving on to the next is people. Now here, don't get confused with the term people. Please mark my words that here with the term name people, we are talking about the employees of the company, those who are directly or indirectly in connection to the consumers. Actually, they are the face of the organization, those who will deal the customers. It can be directly or it can be indirectly. So the fifth P of marketing will tell you about the people, those who are employees of the company, those who will interact to the customers of the company. And next, moving on to the next is that is process. Okay, now process is one of the important P, because it will tell you that at a certain stage how much time will it take to perform that task. There sometimes what happens that there is a perishable goods. What if the perishable good will become in such a bad condition during the process of your marketing, or during the process till it's reached to its customers, it will vanish or it will get destroyed. So there is no use of that entire journey or entire stages actually. So process is one of the another important thing. In that process, it will let you know about that at which stage how much time is actually required to perform that task. So it will for example, it will tell you that when a customer makes inquiry, how long will it take to attend that inquiry. when the inquiry gets attended, how long it take to get the sales team to meet that particular customers, and once they meet, if a customer has made any order, then in that case how much time will it take to get it purchased, what should be the reviews. These are the things, these are the stages which comes into process, that it will tell you about from 1 to 5 how will you reach from stage 1 to 2, 2 to 3 to 3 to 4, what is the actually entire process. So this is another important P of the marketing. The last P of marketing principles is that physical evidence. Through physical evidence, what a customer tries to get is that they try to assure itself, they try to get a reassurance from the producer that whatever is demonstrated to them, they will get the same quality or the same kind of a product. For example, in case of a restaurant, physical evidence could be in form of surrounding staff uniform, menus and online reviews to indicate the experience that could be expected. So in case of a restaurant, if there is staff who is well dressed, there is a menu, there should be online reviews of that particular food. So the customer now get assured about the performance of that restaurant actually. So physical evidence will let you know that whatever is being demonstrated to the customer will get the same kind of a product. He himself want to assure about this. Okay, these are the 7 P's of marketing. Now I'm giving you a quick span recap of these 7 P's of marketing, which because a question directly or indirectly can be asked from these 7 P's of marketing. For example, a question can be from people that customer can be customer can be a part of 7 P's of marketing through promotion, price, place or people. Okay, so there can be different questions that come into the mind of the examiner. So in that the people will the people term people is used not for customers, it is used for the directly or indirectly employees, those who are in touch with your clients. So don't get confused with different terms that is used in that 7 P's of marketing. I have discussed these 7 P's of marketing with you in detail form, so that whenever there is a question, whether the question is direct or indirect, you are able to perform the same. So take a quick look about these 7 P's of marketing. First we have product, there should be a product. Then we have to promote the product. We have to decide the price of that product. There should be a place where we can place this product for the purchase of the customers, so that customers can purchase this product at this place. People should be those who are employees of the company, who are directly or indirectly in touch with your target clients. Process is how much time actually will it take to deliver the product to the clients, actually the entire journey of a particular product or service. Then we have physical evidence, which means that the product which is demonstrated, the customer wants to get it reassurance that whether the same product is delivered to them or not. They want a reassurance about this. Okay, so these are the 7 principles of marketing we discussed in this lecture. In the previous video, we have discussed about the marketing, what marketing is, what are the types of marketing, how marketing differs from branding. So if you have not watched that video, please go and watch this, the previous video first, then watch this video again. And thank you so much for staying with us till last, which is very commendable from your side. Thank you so much for that. For your sure success, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and dedicated Telegram channel. Link for the same is given in the description box. And stay tuned for your entire preparation for the RRB SO marketing. We are here, or we are committed towards the quality content. We will deliver the same to you. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.